If you like Halloween and you crochet, stick around because I have 15 spooky and free, quick and easy crochet patterns to share with you today. All of these patterns can be found on Ravelry.com, and they would even be suitable for a craft market or a craft fair, or to give to one of your favorite little goblins. So let's go ahead and take a look. The first project I have to show you is a pair of pumpkin earrings, and these are designed by Lauren Kovar, and they are so cute and adorable. You could probably work these up really fast, and these would be great for a craft show or a craft market. Look at how sweet these are. They would be great to wear for the season, and they're so tiny and cute. It would even be cute to have a little tiny bowl full of those little pumpkins, wouldn't it? And these are using thread and a 1.5 millimeter hook. And like I said, this is for free. So if you just scroll down to the link down here at the bottom and click on it, it will take you straight to the pattern. And here is your pumpkin earrings pattern. It looks simple enough. The next thing I thought was so cute. This is called There's a Witch Stuck in My Wreath by Stringy Ding Ding. And here's a closer look. Look at her little feet. It looks like she ran into the side of the house. And all you'd have to crochet really is just her legs and her feet. And then you just make the wreath out of the ribbon. That is awesome. And you can access this pattern by clicking the link right here at the very bottom. And it takes you right here to the pattern. Now this is an adorable banner, and it's called Ghost in the Mushrooms Wall Hanging by Divine Debris. And it does say that it's a $4 Ravelry download, but don't worry, because if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can access this free pattern online by clicking this link down here at the bottom. And if you click on it, it takes you right to the pattern. Now this is a mosaic pattern, and it doesn't look like it would take too terribly long, and it's very adorable. This pattern is using worsted weight yarn and a 4 millimeter hook, and you only need 200 to 300 yards. And it measures about 13.4 inches by 14.8 inches. That's a nice size banner. Now this would be really cute to pass out maybe for classroom gifts or maybe as a little Halloween teacher's gift. This is called Scary Tales, and it's a little ghost witch bookmark. Isn't that so cute? There's a little dress. You can see the little ruffles on the bottom. Look at the little arms. And that sticks out of the book. I think that's super, super cute. This pattern uses sport weight yarn and a 2.5 millimeter hook, and you'll need about 352 yards. And it comes in US and UK terms, and it is available for free on their website if you just click the link down here at the bottom. Now, when I click the link at the bottom, it does open up on my end, but for some reason, my StreamYard is not opening it for the recording. But the link is active, and it is right here at the very bottom of this listing, and it is called Scary Tales. And the next little character we have is this little Frankie Halloween Amigurumi. He is so cute. I just love him. And they are using Red Heart Super Saver Solids Aran weight yarn and a 3.5 millimeter hook. Isn't that so adorable? Look at his little green face, and he has his bolts coming out of his neck. Oh, it's just so authentic and cute, and I just love it. These would be really quick to make up, and I could see these being a nice hit at a craft show. And honestly, I mean, I don't know what kid wouldn't like one of these. If you click the link right here at the bottom, it will take you straight to the blog at craftyiscool.blogspot.com, and you will find the pattern for this little Amigurumi Frankenstein. This is a great little accent called Halloween Striped Pillow. This is going to look great on your couch for Halloween. And look at the colors. That's purple, green, orange, and black. Ooh, they did it differently here. Very pretty. And this is just a pillow cover. And this is by Dana Perry, D-A-Y-N-A. And they're using Aran weight yarn and a 6 millimeter hook. And you'll need about 550 to 570 yards to make this 18 by 18 inch pillow. And if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link, it will take you to their free pattern. And you can always change the colors up and make it for whatever holiday you want. Now here are some more Halloween Amigurumi. These are called Halloween Amigurumi Girls. This is a free Ravelry download, so you can just click this button right here where it says download, and then you will download the PDF directly, and you can open it up. You can print it out. And these are cute little witches with their little Halloween trick-or-treat pails. Isn't that so cute? Their curly hair. And these are by Mandy Lamb, L-A-M. And this is using Hobie Rainbow Cotton Fingering Weight yarn, a 2mm and a 2.75mm hook. And you'll need 170 to 186 yards. And it is a free Ravelry download. Now here's another Frankenstein I thought you might like. And this is by Stringy Ding Ding. And this is called Freaky Halloween Frankenstein Amigurumi. And it is available for free. Now look at him with his little purple sweater. How cute is that? And his little stitches across his head and his bolts in his head. So stinking cute. And then if you go ahead and click down here at the very bottom, the pattern opens up. Freaky Halloween Frankenstein Amigurumi by Stringy Ding Ding. And then next we have the Halloween Black Cat Hat. I could see this being a big seller too at some craft shows. And this is by Irangi Udashika. And this is really, really cute. And you can decorate it as you wish with the different colors for the collar and the little bow. Isn't that so cute? You can dress it up however you like. And this is using worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm hook, and you'll need 150 yards. And this is available in toddler sizes 1 through 3. But I bet you if you just increased it, you could make it for whatever size you wanted to. And then the link for this free pattern is down here at the very bottom. And there you go. And this is on the crochetforyoublog.com. Now this is a great costume. You can make one of these Halloween top hats, and this is by Sharon Mann using Aran weight yarn, a 5 and a 5.5mm hook, and you'll need 1,456 yards. This hat measures 7 inches tall and 10 inches wide. Isn't that gorgeous? And then she put some little beads on there. Oh, that's so pretty. Reminds me of the Mad Hatter. She made hers in a steampunk fashion. And then you can access this pattern. It's by Yarnspirations by clicking the link down below. And then you can download your free PDF by clicking right here. And then here's another great mosaic project. This is called Halloween Sea to Sea Blanket by Sarah Zimmerman. And I thought this was adorable. I love black cats. I have one myself. And this just looks almost identical to my cat. And then look at that cute little spider right there. This is a beautiful mosaic using the Sea to Sea pattern. Isn't that sweet? That's precious. And you can access the pattern by clicking the link down here at the very bottom. And now this is using worsted weight yarn and a 5mm hook, and you need around 1,000 to 2,000 yards depending on how big you want your blanket to be. And then this is just the cutest little ghost. It's called Ghost Boo by Diana Patskun, Patskun. And this is a free Ravelry download. And you can just print out the PDF. Look at how sweet. Isn't that the most adorable little ghost? Look at his little hat and his bow tie. So sweet. Look at that little face. I can't resist it. And this is using DK weight and a 2mm hook, and you need 131 to 164 yards. So that's not a lot of yarn. So we have this cute little ghost Halloween amigurumi by Stringy Ding Ding. And this is a free pattern on her blog. And that is just precious, holding a little pumpkin. And there is a whole set that she made. Look at that. And then if you click the link at the very bottom, it takes you straight to her pattern. If you liked these patterns, make sure you check out the video right here because I have 15 more to share with you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day. Bye.